In the endless darkness of space, there's one terrifying fact most people don't know. The closest known black hole to Earth is practically in our cosmic backyard. Scientists call it a silent monster because it doesn't glow, explode, or make a sound. It simply waits in the darkness, hidden from human eyes. But when astronomers finally discovered it, the entire scientific world was shocked. Because if a black hole this close can stay invisible for so long, what else is hiding out there in deep space? Today we will talk about the closest black hole to Earth is. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. The discovery that shocked the scientific world. For decades, black holes existed mostly as terrifying mysteries in science fiction and advanced astrophysics. These invisible cosmic monsters were believed to lurk far away in distant galaxies, hidden in the darkest corners of the universe. But in recent years, astronomers made a discovery that completely changed our understanding of how close these objects can actually be to Earth. The closest known black hole to our planet is called Gaia BH1, and its existence stunned scientists around the world. Located approximately 1,560 light-years away in the constellation Ophiuchus, this black hole is practically in our cosmic neighborhood compared to the billions of light-years that separate us from many other black holes. While 1,560 light-years may sound unimaginably distant to humans, in astronomical terms, it is shockingly close. This discovery raised massive questions about how many hidden black holes might exist near our solar system without us even noticing them. 2. What exactly is a black hole? To understand why Gaia BH1 is so fascinating, it is important to understand what a black hole actually is. A black hole forms when an extremely massive star reaches the end of its life. Stars survive because there's a balance between the outward pressure created by nuclear fusion and the inward pull of gravity. But when a giant star runs out of fuel, gravity wins. The star collapses inward with unbelievable force, compressing enormous amounts of matter into an incredibly tiny point called a singularity. Around this singularity exists a boundary known as the event horizon. Once anything crosses this boundary, escape becomes impossible. Not even light can escape the gravitational pull. 3. Why Gaia BH1 is different from other black holes. Most black holes discovered before Gaia BH1 were found because they were actively feeding on nearby material. As gas and dust spiral toward a black hole, they heat up tremendously and emit powerful X-rays detectable from Earth. However, Gaia BH1 behaves differently. It is what scientists call a dormant or quiescent black hole. That means it is not currently consuming large amounts of matter. Because it is quiet and dark, it remained hidden for possibly millions or billions of years. This discovery suggests that the Milky Way galaxy may contain countless invisible black holes drifting silently through space. Scientists estimate there could be millions or even hundreds of millions of stellar black holes in our galaxy alone. The frightening reality is that many of them may never emit radiation, making them almost impossible to detect. For could a black hole ever threaten Earth? One of the first questions people ask after hearing about a nearby black hole is whether Earth is in danger. Fortunately, Gaia BH1 poses absolutely no threat to our solar system. Even though it is the closest known black hole, it is still incredibly far away. To put the distance into perspective, light itself, which travels at 300,000 kilometers per second, takes over 1,500 years to travel from Gaia BH1 to Earth. Human spacecraft would need millions of years to reach it using current technology. Black holes do not wander through space, swallowing everything like cosmic vacuum cleaners. Their gravity works similarly to any other object with mass. If the Sun were magically replaced with a black hole of equal mass, Earth would actually continue orbiting almost exactly the same way. The major difference would simply be the absence of sunlight and heat. 5. How scientists detect invisible objects. Detecting something that emits no light may sound impossible, but astronomers have developed incredibly advanced methods for finding black holes. One major technique involves studying the movement of nearby stars. In the case of Gaia BH1, astronomers noticed the visible star moving in a repeating orbital pattern. By carefully measuring its speed and motion, they could calculate the mass of the invisible object pulling on it. This method relies heavily on the laws of gravity and orbital mechanics developed by scientists such as Isaac Newton and later refined by Einstein. When astronomers calculated the hidden object's mass, they realized it was far too massive to be a planet or ordinary star. Since no visible object could explain the gravitational effects, the only logical answer was a black hole. Modern observatories and space telescopes have made these discoveries far more accurate than ever before. Instruments can now detect tiny movements in stars from thousands of light years away. Future missions may uncover thousands of additional black holes hidden throughout the Milky Way. Scientists believe we are only beginning to reveal the invisible skeleton of our galaxy. 6. What would happen if you fell into a black hole? Black holes are among the most terrifying objects in existence because of what happens near them. If a human somehow approached a stellar black hole like Gaia BH1, the gravitational forces would become extreme. The side of your body closer to the black hole would experience stronger gravity than the side farther away. This difference would stretch your body into a long, thin shape in a process scientists dramatically call spaghettification. Near the event horizon, time itself behaves strangely. According to Einstein's relativity, gravity can slow down time. To an outside observer, a person falling into a black hole would appear to move slower and slower until they almost freeze at the event horizon. 7. Black holes and the future of astronomy. The discovery of Gaia BH1 represents more than just finding another black hole. It signals a new era in astronomy where invisible objects can finally be mapped with precision. Scientists now believe many black holes may exist quietly within our own galaxy, hidden because they are not feeding on nearby material. Future observatories, including advanced gravitational wave detectors, could revolutionize our understanding. Even further, in recent years, humanity achieved another major milestone when the Event Horizon Telescope collaboration captured the first ever image of a black hole. The image showed a glowing ring surrounding the shadow of the supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy Messier 87. This achievement confirmed decades of theoretical predictions and demonstrated humanity's growing ability to observe the most extreme objects in existence. 8. The terrifying beauty of our cosmic neighbor. Gaia BH1 reminds humanity that the universe is far stranger and more mysterious than we once imagined. Hidden only 1,560 light-years away is an invisible object powerful enough to trap light itself. It silently drifts through the Milky Way, completely undetectable to human eyes. Yet its gravity reveals its existence like a ghost tugging at the stars around it. The discovery forces us to confront how little we truly know about the cosmos. Every star in the night sky may hide secrets we have not yet uncovered. Somewhere beyond our solar system, countless unseen black holes may roam through darkness, remnants of ancient stars that died billions of years ago. They are both destroyers and creators, objects capable of reshaping galaxies while also teaching us the deepest laws of physics. Now, if you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.